do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, Kostya. If I could only rest. Rest. I am a seagull. No, that's not right. I am an actress. It doesn't matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing in myself. I lost heart. I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without thinking and feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't move properly. I couldn't control my voice. You can't imagine what it's like knowing that you are acting badly. I am a seagull. But I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. I act with delight and rapture. I'm drunk when I'm on stage, and I believe that I am wonderful. Ever since I got here, I've been walking around and thinking and even believing that my soul grows stronger every day. Now, at last I know that in our kind of work, whether we are writers or actors, what's important is not fame or glory, the things that I used to dream about, but learning to endure. I must bear my cross.